Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, it is a pleasure to see you guys around here, and today the stock market is kind of crashing, right? It's crashing, but the situation is not that horrible. I will explain to you guys why in another video today, but the situation is not that terrible as some people might think. And in this video, we are going to focus on Tesla. We are going to talk about Tesla only. I will share my own insights and thoughts on Tesla. And remember guys, I am just a trader. I'm just a regular trader, retail trader, just like you, just like everybody else. So this video is just my personal insights on Tesla, and I just hope my insights can help you. Okay, in this case, if you are already my subscriber, remember to click on the like button, because when did I ever disappoint you here? I think never, right? So you know that our content is pretty good, and if you are new around here, well, subscribe to this channel. It's free, right? So why not? I bet you're going to like this video. So let's analyze Tesla's price action. Let's take a look at how Tesla is doing right now. See, long-term speaking, let's focus on the long-term first. Again, guys, there is nothing telling us that Tesla is going to reverse, is going to crash, or do anything weird. Why? Because we are talking about a bull trend. Tesla is doing higher highs, higher lows since 2000 and I don't know, 19 over here. So we are doing this movement, right? Higher highs, higher lows. Now, Tesla, long-term speaking, in the weekly chart, might keep moving sideways for a few more weeks or for a few more months, because that's how Tesla do, right? That's how Tesla does things over here. I mean, we usually go up, and then we drop, we keep moving sideways, waiting for the EMA catch up with the price, I don't know, to form a stronger bullish structure. Then we do that kind of explosion movement over here. So if we see some sideways correction for a few more months, let's not be surprised, okay? That's how Tesla behaves. That's how Tesla does. Now, short, mid-term speaking, that's problematic. But look at this. Tesla is going up today, 0.16%. Look at this. This is Tesla. The S&P is dropping 1.48, Nasdaq dropping 1.86, the Dow Jones dropping 1.34%. Global indices are all on red, except for Brazil, which is crazy because it is Brazil, but Shanghai Composite is closed right now. Probably it's going to drop today when it opens. Look at the mega cap stocks. Apple minus 1.39, Microsoft minus 1.50. See, it is a bloodbath. It is a true bloodbath, and only Tesla is on green right now. Look at today's candle. It is clearly a bullish candle. When we analyze the 1 hour chart, clearly we are trying to find a support level around the 61.8% Fibonacci's retracement. We dance it around this support level, and right now we are trying to go up. We broke the EMA in the first candlestick today. Right now we are below it again. Maybe there is the possibility of this is an ignition bar. This might be an ignition bar followed by a gift pattern, okay? Classic gift pattern. This is very normal. This happens a lot in Tesla. We see ignition bars followed by gifts, or one single gift sometimes, before we can resume the bullish momentum. I think Tesla is going to retest the next resistance level, which is around 1115 over here, this red line. In the optimal scenario, 1170s is the optimal target, but the first resistance is 1115. Now, this tells us a lot about Tesla, because we dropped today thanks to this gap, thanks to systemic catalysts. There is nothing wrong with Tesla over here. It's dropping because the entire stock market is dropping. So it gapped down today. But look at how powerful today's first candlestick is. It is going up a lot. And this tells us a lot about Tesla, because it seems to me, at least, as a retail trader, as a normal guy who has only charts and fundamentals at his disposal, I see this, and okay, so Tesla drops around this support level and it goes up. Why? Because people are buying Tesla over here. I don't know why, but they are clearly buying. They are not letting Tesla drop below this price level over here. Clearly, there are people defending this zone. It looks like a war, all right? And this is a region, and some people are clearly not interested in seeing Tesla below seeing Tesla below this price area over here, this green, yellow area over here. Okay, so this is why I'm telling you guys, people are buying Tesla over here. I don't know why, but the bias is still clearly bullish. It is looking stronger than the market. We are doing a higher low than the previous low, than this candlestick over here. Okay, so it is a good movement. It is quite good. We are still in a bullish bias, but I agree that the short-term volatility is quite stressful, because it seems Tesla drops because the stock market is dropping, and it goes up because it is Tesla, because it is such an amazing company. And usually, this is why I tell you guys, usually when Tesla drops because the stock market is dropping, it is usually an opportunity to buy. Okay? Now, what if Tesla actually loses this support area, this yellow area down here? What if it closes below the previous bottom? Well, if this actually happens, I don't believe this black line and the previous support level are going to hold the price, and I believe Tesla is going to materialize the bearish scenario we already discussed it here in this channel. And this bearish scenario has this gap as a target. Okay, so $941, that's the next target in Tesla if it loses this support area in the short term. Okay, however, only if it loses this support level. I'm not saying this is going to happen. As far as I know, Tesla is in a bullish trend, in a bullish bias over here, doing higher highs, higher lows, and etc. And okay, that's great. Maybe we don't have necessarily higher highs right now, but we do have higher lows. And the indices are just having a rough time right now. But the moment they recover, I think Tesla is going to recover as well. Its fundamentals are going to help to enhance the next bullish leg. And 11.15 is going to be a very reasonable target to work with. I do believe we're going to retest this target right now, this resistance next, and potentially 11.70s. Okay, so that's how I see Tesla right now for the short term. When we analyze the mid-term, we see this retracement as well, but it's not, it seems it's polluting too much this chart, so let me erase it. We have this black line as a support level, which I don't believe it's going to hold the price. If we actually lose the previous support level, again, the gap down here is going to be our next target. It is a rough drop. Probably we are gonna drop, let me see over here, let me calculate. If we lose this support level, we could drop more, roughly 7%. I agree. However, if we actually resume the bullish momentum, if this is indeed an ignition bar, from here, we have roughly 7% to our next resistance level. That's quite good. But if we retest the 11.70s, which is our optimal target, we have roughly 12%. So to me, as an ordinary guy, I think the risk-reward ratio makes more sense for the bulls. So it is more interesting to long Tesla right now. And of course, the short term is quite volatile. Tesla will have its ups and downs. But guys, let's not allow this to stress us in this market, okay? Because if we allow this to stress us, guys, this is very important. Let me look at you for 1 second. In my humble experience as a trader and as a teacher in this market, I think the most problematic situation for any trader is when we get emotional, okay? Our emotions are going to ruin us over here. This is why we use technical analysis and price action as a tool to do our proper risk management, to use statistics in our favor, and to control and as a tool to control us here. Okay, so guys, let's not be emotional in this market. Yes, Tesla is extremely volatile, but maybe this is gonna be a good thing for us here. Okay, maybe we can take advantage of this volatility. Maybe it's gonna do something good right now today. Today's close is gonna be very, very important for us traders and us investors, and it's gonna tell us how Tesla is going to behave in the next few days, in the next few weeks. If it's going to fill the gap around $941, or if you're going to retest 1115s or maybe 1170s. Okay, so it all depends on how it's going to close today, it's going to behave today in the next few hours, or even tomorrow as well. Okay, so I will update you guys next Friday. I think this Wednesday I'm gonna record a video for you guys, but it's not gonna be about Tesla necessarily. Maybe I'm gonna record a video about the entire EV sector. I don't know, I'm still studying this possibility, but I really appreciate your support, my friends. Remember to subscribe, okay? Are you still watching this video and you are not a subscriber? Remember to subscribe to this channel. I will update you guys constantly about Tesla and other stocks, okay? Thank you very much for your support, my friends. Stay safe. Farewell.